All right, guys, everybody who bought the top and bottom finder, I'm speaking to you. Those of you guys who have no idea what the heck I'm talking about, I'm speaking to you guys as well. Okay, through Black Friday, we did a video and we said, guys, if you have the top and bottom finder, I'll show you how to get this at the end with a discount. Okay, come in here, get off the daily time frame, get off the weekly time frame. We're in a bull market. The drawbacks and the pullbacks are not going to be as big until we get the big pullbacks. You need to go to the 4-hour, and we talked about taking a setting of 5. A signal strength, bringing it from 10 and bringing it back down to 5. Okay. Those of you guys who ended up doing this, you all should have gotten incredibly good entries on this dip. Okay. Both of the lows were called for you guys to get re-entries back in here. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up alerts on this in a second, because you guys need to be watching this as the bull market continues, because we are gonna get pullbacks. Okay, XRP. How many XRP fans out there do we have? By the way, I'm gonna do a little technical analysis on XRP here as well. Buy signal exactly at the bottom. And I also showed you guys this during the Black Friday sale. If you guys did a 2 or a 5 on the 4-hour, this would give you guys more signals to go ahead and enter into, so you guys have more opportunities. It's loading over here. Let the hamsters run a little bit, okay? A 2 or a 5, I hope everyone's taking notes on this, even my members who have these indicators. Go to the 4-hour time frame. In this bull season, which is from now until about November, December of 2025, you guys need to go to the 4-hour time frame, okay? Get off the daily, go to the 4-hour, and you need to structure yourself at a 2 or a 5. A 5 is going to give you less signals, but it's going to wait for the market to be pulled back a little bit further so you guys can get in. Okay, XLM, the exact same thing happened. You guys ended up getting the last 2 best entries. 3 potentially here. We didn't end up seeing a move back up at the bottom. What we teach you guys is this. I'll continue here, but I want to teach you guys this in just a quick little whiteboard session here. What I've been teaching you guys, if you have money on the side, because we just put in, so yesterday we ended up putting in $20,000, and then the day before that we put in $20,000 and another $30,000. So we put in $70,000 into the market on this drop. So listen, guys, I'm not just coming out and doing these videos like, hey guys, buy our indicators because they're great, you know? Guys, we're using these tools, guys. We are putting our own $70,000 into the market, and all that $70,000 is in profit this morning, okay? So what's happening is some of you guys, this is with other indicators too, so let me just explain this to you guys. Usually in a market that moves up and we're not in a very bullish market, it's just kind of a sideways pattern, you're going to go ahead and get some nice higher low formations. In a parabolic pattern like we're coming into in 2025, your moves they're not dropping down that much. Yes, we're going to get our 20 to 30% pullbacks in the market. That's going to happen. However, people are not entering in here and they're not entering in here. They're just waiting for the big pullbacks if they're on the 1 day and they're on the 1 week time frame. Okay, so what I'm telling you guys to do is the top and bottom finder, go to a setting. I'm going to write this out so you guys can all see this. Okay, the setting, and it's called the signal strength. So signal strength. Okay, go to a 5 or a 2. Okay, we're doing a little masterclass this morning. Let's continue here. Look at something like Solana. Guys, Solana, at the absolute bottom. That's what you guys are going to be looking at. Now you're like, well, there's multiple signals down here. Yes, you're correct. Now let me continue this. So here's what I teach you guys to do. And we talk about this a lot in our membership. We talk about 2 things. You guys know this. We talk about duration and we talk about percentage. So here's what you guys are going to do. If you guys have money on the sidelines, let's say you guys get paid bi-weekly and you have, let's say, $1,000 to invest, okay? What I recommend you guys doing is splitting this up into 3 to 4 different portions. So this would be $250 or this would be, let's say, $333, okay? What you can do with this, if you expect a drop in the market, or simply if you're ready to inject more money into the market into any of these altcoins, you guys can take your amount, split it into different portions, and then what you guys can do is just follow the buy signals on the 4-hour. Remember, guys, get off the daily. You're not going to be able to get in the market right now. Markets aren't pulling back that much. Go down to the 4-hour and go to a signal strength of 10 and 5. Okay. Here's what you're going to do, because none of you guys and none of you should be sitting at your computer and watching all this. Once you have this loaded, go over here and you guys are going to just click the alert, and you guys want to come down to go down to click price here, and you guys want to do TC top and bottom finder, and I just want you guys to do buy. There's sell, strong, buy, strong, sell. Just do buy, okay? Once per bar close, and for this we'll do SOL USD buy, okay? And I come down here and just do SOL buy signal. When you guys create this is going to send you a text message to your phone if you have that set up. It's going to send you a ping on your computer, and you can even set it up to send you an email. This is a way that everybody, we have over 5,500 people who have this indicator. all of you guys who set this up, even on Dogecoin, everybody should have been able to buy this dip at the bottom on the green candle. Everybody should have been able to do that if you guys just had your alert set up. Guys, this indicator here is not formed based off oscillators. This is the last thing I'm going to explain to you guys. I want you to understand how we made this, because this is why it works really well. And I'll give you guys a big coupon code at the end because you guys stuck around this long, okay? So most indicators, okay, guys, when you're looking at the market like this and it goes up and down, and you've got indicators that say, sell up here and then sell, okay, and then sell, and then down here, I'm going to just do this real quick. I'm just going to put B's to make this a little bit faster, okay? You've got B's for buy, buy, buy. Okay, most indicators out there, they work on oscillators. So oscillators mean that they're the RSI, the stochastic, they're pinned to a range. It's the range-bound indicators that actually give us the ability to time the tops and the bottoms. The RSI, remember guys, oversold and overbought? Okay, that's most indicators. We built this based off a math equation, okay? It's a mathematical equation that actually helps us time the peaks and the bottoms, and it looks at the past, many hundreds of bars in the past, and says, okay, based off where price structure has formed its ebbs and flows in the past, is this an area where we expect to see the market reverse? And that is why a lot of your indicators, you guys can pull this up and you'll see a lot of indicators, they'll tell you that you're close to the bottom, but they don't give you an actual signal on the candle. So RSI, you're like, okay, well, my RSI is above 80, it's below 30. Okay, it's below. So like, how long do we wait for? Do we wait for it to cross back up? Do we wait when it dips right down into 20, or do we wait till it like goes sideways? No. There's no guessing with this. This is why people like this, is that it's a signal. Okay, so real quick, if you guys want this, I'll open this up a little bit higher for you guys so you guys can see this. Guys, XRP is amazing. Actually, I told you I would do this, so I'm gonna do this, and then I'll show you guys the discount. It's in the description. I'll walk you guys through in a moment here. I'm gonna keep this big here for 1 second. I want to show this to you guys. XRP, because of this drop, ended up perfectly forming a bull flag. And I know everyone's going to come on today and they're going to say this, and I'm just going to be the first one to beat them to the chase. And I don't think they're wrong, by the way. I don't think it's going to be a straight shot up. I think we're going to go up here to about 280. We are going to go sideways a little bit, but just so you guys know, if you take the extension of the left side of the bull flag, you take this flagpole and you place it where you assume breakout, this does place XRP at about $4.03. Okay? So everybody who bought down here, not at the bottom, it's on the candle closes when the signal went off. All of you guys who bought here with the extension, you guys are going to do about 88% when this hits $4. And yes, XRP will hit $4 this cycle. I think it's going to go even higher than that. Okay, so here's what you guys need to do. In the description, I've put a little gift box emoji. Okay, that is going to give you guys 25% off our membership, which is $65 a month. The indicators that I just showed you, that top and bottom finder, we are using that top and bottom finder. That is the number one indicator we use, guys, to call out trade setups. We are 264 wins and 0 losses, and we plaster this on the front of our website so everything is transparent. You guys can look at the spreadsheet. So 2 things. You're going to get the indicator, so you can set up the indicator so you guys can get buy signals, so you can get into the market, all right? Secondly, with a membership, we're going to give you guys all access to all the trade calls we've made. These are all the 10% trade calls we have made, and these are all 10% trade calls here as well, okay? What you guys want to do is once you guys have a membership, go to indicators, scroll down right here, and you guys are going to get the Pro Pack, which is $4.99 if you guys would like, but what I talked about for you guys today is the top and bottom finder. Here's what you guys can do. If you get the Pro Pack for $4.99 and you are a member, we will give you $150 off this. Just becoming a member, we will give you $150 off. Basically pay for 2 months of your membership right away. Actually, with the 25% off, we're paying 3 months of your membership back to you once you become a member. Use this to take this off on top of the $4.99. You guys will end up getting the trades in favor, which again, when we push down here to the 80 percentile, this says, hey guys, look, long trade zone. It has an arrow up. If you're taking long trades, take them in the long trade zone. That's where you should be taking them. Okay, that was calling the drop as well, and before the pump up. Look over here, well money flow. That's another indicator you guys will get. This shows us where money is flowing out of the market, and when whales sell like they've done in the past, and you look to the degree that they have done in the past, this is where we look for market moves back up. And then the TC market reversals, which I've done a huge video on this, it is one of the best metrics to call bottoms as well. And if you time these and put these together, guys, it is what we are using for our trade setups. Okay, guys? So in the description, grab membership, grab the Pro Pack, enjoy the $150 off, and then once you guys have the Pro Pack, when you check out, you guys will get $400 off the top and bottom finder. And you guys can see the profits that people are making. I'm up $4,300 USD just this week. And I'll show you guys just proof here. This is the top and bottom finder. That's the indicator I just went through and just showed you guys in the last 5 minutes on this video. He's using a 15-minute, a signal strength of 40. That's great. Okay, up almost $9,000 over here on his account. He is also using the TC top and bottom finder, the same indicator I talked to you guys about, okay? Again, the top and bottom finder, I made $2,100 in 3 days. Guys, it's one thing to come out and just say this. It's another thing to show you guys that people are actually doing this and they're making money, okay? 500, 5,200, 4,300. And again, let me show this to you guys. He's using the bundle pack, which is our pro pack. And again, the top and bottom finder. It goes on and on and on. You guys can look at all of our testimonials on the website. And you guys can even go here and you can look at more if you'd like, okay? I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how we're timing these markets. We are doing very well. The account is up pretty decent today. We are about $2 million here, and I think we're just a little bit higher, I want to say. Yeah, there we go. How about $120,000 higher? So we're $2.1 million, and we are let me calculate this. We are $1.3 million in profit because $800,000 is our base entry. And guys, we do use the indicators as well as analysis to get into these markets. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this today. This tutorial, set up the top and bottom finder, go to the 4-hour time frame, and you guys are going to get the best entries if you just set it to a 5 or a 2 and set up the alerts, let it work for you, and then you guys can do your risk management entries. Like I said, take the amount divided by 3 or divided by 4. There you go, guys. This is what our members are doing, and we've won over 200 trades and 0 losses doing just that with risk management. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.